Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda Sims of the Who Dat Teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back again with an awesome line dance. It's gospel. As I said in the other one, it has been a while since I've done a gospel line dance, and here's another great line dance, awesome line dance. It's called an awesome step, and I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instruction. Before I do, can I give a shout out to everyone that's leaving a comment? When I tell you I appreciate y'all guys so much, thank you for your comments. It's just beautiful. It motivates me and it lets me know that I'm on the right track. So for each person that take their time to leave a comment, I thank you so much. If you're watching this channel for the first time, you like what you see, please subscribe. Also, can I get y'all guys to share this video? Make sure you share. Okay, so if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. This is the step-by-step instructional. If you're interested in a dance along, watch till the end and just click right here and let's dance together. So guys, let's go. So this dance here, it moves counterclockwise. It's a full wall dance, okay? This is a beginner's dance, and instructors, awesome dance to teach beginners. All you got to do is cue it, call it out, and they can move with you, and you can keep the class moving without stopping, okay? So we're going to slide up for 4 and slide back for 4. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we just sliding up with a step, touch, right, left, and coming back, right, left, okay? Let's do that again. So the choreographer said, have fun with this at your own flavor, okay? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to take 2 steps or walk to the right, left, right, tap, left. It's time to turn. I tapped on my left. I'm going to go down. I'm going to go left, tap, right. All right? So she does a little dip. My weight is on my right, and I'm going to step left, right, left, right. When I do that, I tap down on my right. My right heel is up. I'm going to do tap, lift, and kick. Right, left. That's the end of the dance. So let's count it out, because we're learning how to count, right? Let's do it. So I'm going to guess that this dance is a 32 count. So that means I'm going to count 8 times. Start over with my count. Sequence of 8, 4 times. 4 times 8 is 32 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 4. Okay? Now, I started at this wall. I turn to my left. So that means the dance move counterclockwise. I'm going to start all over. So it's a 4-wall dance that moves counterclockwise, no tags, no bridges, no changes. Okay, let's do it here. With the weight on the left, moving up right. Once I make that first turn, I already know my next wall is going to be to my left. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's an awesome step. I already know Some of y'all guys like to perform at events, whether it be a fair, and especially at y'all church. Y'all gonna eat this one up. I want to give a shout out to the choreographer. Her name is DENNISE FX LINDSAY. You did a great job. Awesome energy. Y'all go over, put the name of the dance in. It's called An Awesome Step. Go to her channel and watch her and her husband do it. It's a great energy. This is an awesome step. This is the instructional. Check out the demo. Also check out her demo. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.